What you doing? Are you standing up? Dada gonna be so proud. You wanna say Dada? Come on. Of course he's not gonna say it when I have the camera on him. He's only been saying it all day. You watching Kylan? What are you doing, son?
You're here just in time.
You're so cute. You're so cute. See, look at how cute I'm getting. Got these adorable chubby little cheeks. Look at chubby.
Part of Moon Festival when everyone is together.
Hey, baby boy, look.
I love everyone being together too.
Get a puppy. What you doing? What you doing? You looking at Mama's shirt? Oh, you gotta see this. Hold on. Baby boy, come here. Come here. Come here. You can do it. Watch what he does when he gets on the tile. For some reason he decides, oh, no, he didn't. What? How are you not going to do it now? He's been doing this bear crawl. Do your bear crawl, baby bear. There you go. Oh, he stopped. You're not going to do your bear crawl no more? Mommy will catch it. She'll catch it. What you doing? No touch. No touch. No, no, no.
Where's the moon? I don't see it. I don't see it either. Did you come?
Do your bear crawl.
No.
Come on, baby bear. Do your bear crawl. Whoop.
No. Clover wants to see the moon, but it's not there.
Son.
There's a big
Son. Nah. No welcome mat. Please don't touch the welcome mat. No touch. No touch. Baby. Hey. No touch. No touch. Hold on. Over here. There we go. Ooh, what you got now? What are you doing? What was that?
You're right. The moon. Did you get to see it?
Say that again, son.
No. The moon is covered by a cloud. Why do you think co-host cries?
What you talking about?
You won't get to see the moon tonight. I think so too.
Dada?
I was disappointed that the moon
You saying Dada?
First moon festival.
Finally let me get it on camera. Oh, this has got to go to Daddy right now. This has got to go to Dada. Woo-hoo-hoo. And I got to change that diaper right now. Oh, Lord. All right. Say love you, Dada. Hey. Quit watching Kylie and say love you, Dada. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Too cloudy to see the moon.
Hey.
It's
Hey.
really disappointing that we can't
Okay.
see
He
it
is way
tonight.
too into the car seat.
I know, really.
You heard that, though, right? You totally heard that, right?
Oh, no. Polo is still sad.
Say love you, Dada.
There has to be a way to help him.
That'll be next. Love you. Then he'll be able to say it to you.